Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this one we are about to paint this car in epoxy primer. I'm happy that it's all gonna be in one color after a very long time. The car is almost ready. The areas are scuffed up with 120 grit. Old sealer was taken off. This area was previously welded, not by us, so we took off the old primer because we didn't trust it. So this part is to bare metal. Other than that, it's just scuffed up with 120 grit. We don't really care about inside, but we figured it would be nice to have it all sealed. This is it. It's almost ready. Just some final cleaning. And tomorrow we are gonna paint it.
Ty vole, no. Pojďte se to hezky vidět. To tam vylezlo, vypadá jak hlína, vole.
Yeah.
Welcome back after 1 year. After 1 whole year, maybe a bit longer, the car is finally ready to be painted. It was a crazy process and I didn't know what I got myself into. I realized that if I want to do it properly, I will have to spend some hours in here, and I spent some hours in here. You can ask my girlfriend. But it is finally ready to be painted. Unfortunately now the painter doesn't have time for 1 month, but it is completely okay. From the video you saw the process, you saw the epoxy, you saw the Bondo. I'm not happy with how much Bondo was needed in the rear quarters, but it is what it is. I didn't weld it. Let's look at it positively, that we are saving the car that probably wouldn't have been saved. If you are about to do this process, it is completely doable, but take into consideration that you will have to spend some time on it. Before I sprayed it, I had to choose the color of the sealer, and for the yellow, which this is gonna be yellow over it, I was told that I need to use white sealer. After that, the sealer had a lot of structure, it wasn't smooth, so I guide coated everything that was white, I guide coated, and then I took sanding blocks, went over everything with 320 to 400 dry. It was a lot of time. You basically have to move in these X motions. After that, the car was smooth, but I was told that I had to go over everything again with 600 and 800 grit on the sanding blocks, both underwater. It was something that had to be done because light color is prone to show the scratches. So if I would leave it with the 400 scratches, they would most likely show in the yellow. We will see. If we are not going to have some scratches in the paint, I hope not, but it is done. This is what I done for every panels, for the engine bay and everything where I wanted the yellow to look correctly. I didn't do it for the inside, for the cabin and for the trunk, because I don't care about it. I seam sealed the engine bay. I spent some time on the masking. I didn't want to just take the brush and went over the seals. It would be a lot more messy than it is. I think it is kind of nice, but it's not too perfect, so there is still some OEM look to it. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't be scared to try it, and see you in the next one.